Fellow prisoners, hello. Is the coronavirus quarantine a crisis or is it an opportunity? It could be both. It's up to you. Your choice. We're gonna see how you can use this time to grow, to dig, dream, immerse, and grow. First, this is a good opportunity to look at your life. Look at the past, look at the future, look at the present, and examine, given that you have a little amount of time in this on this planet, what will you do to make the most of your time left? And what will you not do anymore? What will you change? A good exercise to do that is to test yourself on your wheel of life, which is the areas of your life. And what you have to do is you evaluate them from 0 in the center to 10 out there, and you put a mark on each one of these areas. This is a good exercise to see where you need to work more. And then once you decide where you need more improvement, then you start setting goals. But the goals have to be connected with your values. You need to see where you want to be in a few years. And you need to think what will make you healthier, happier, and more prosperous. Once you identify the core things, the important things that you need to do, you need to make sure that your daily activity corresponds to your priorities. In other words, you're doing what you should be doing in order to get where you want to go. So examine yourself every day and check how are you doing with your number one priority. Of course, you need to plan. You need to decide what you need to learn, who can help you, and what will you do, when, and how. So here are 3 options for using your time productively while you're imprisoned, just like most of us. One area you could work on is your professional development. You could decide to learn new skills and perhaps choose one of the top 10 skills that employers want, such as critical thinking. You could build your CV, you could build your LinkedIn profile, you can apply for new jobs, you can create your website, or you can work on your personal development. You can develop your skills in any area you like: communication, negotiation, relationships, whatever it is. You can, I suggest, become excellent in doing Google searches, because that's a great tool these days. You have the world in your pocket. You can attend an online course, a free MOOC. You can get an online degree. You can watch TED Talks or podcasts instead of watching the TV and the news. You can become a Superman. Or you can just spend some time of your day to meditate, listening to thousands of radio stations on the internet, learning how to dance, improving your skills. Or you can decide to lose weight and become fitter and healthier and much more with a better self-esteem. There are thousands of nutrition and fitness applications. You can lose those extra kilos. General things you can do: you can learn how to work smarter. For instance, learn how to dictate on Google Docs on your mobile instead of typing a few words per minute. You can learn how to cook. You can read the books that you've always wanted to read. You can clean up and get organized. In terms of social activities, you can connect with your family, your relatives, your friends. You can help others. Just remember, if you want to fly with the eagles, do not hang around with the turkeys. Or spending time with the kiddies. You can play with them. You can pick websites that will make you cleverer. You're already clever. In conclusion, there's plenty of time for self-pity and misery, or there's time to dream, immerse, and grow, and connect with loved ones. What will you choose? It's partially your choice. But whatever you do, you gotta think different and act different. You can find the full article with lots of links on this website. Thank you for watching.